If you own an e-commerce business, more than likely, or chances are you're selling on multiple platforms, whether it's Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, you're selling on different platforms, maybe even Google Shopping. And so the cool thing about Shopify is they have their own tool here called Shopify Marketplace Connect. If you've never heard of it, I'm just going to quickly break it down and what it does. So if you look here, it actually allows you to sell across the different marketplaces. So let's say you're selling on Amazon, but you're also selling on Target, you're selling on Walmart, you're selling on eBay, Etsy. This tool that they have by Shopify, and it's completely free, it lets you sell in these different marketplaces. Instead of you maybe having to individually go to each specific marketplace, now you have 6 or 7 tabs open and you are making customizations here, but then you need to do the same thing on this tab and this tab. You can actually sell all your products at once with this tool here. You can manage the different listings, and you can connect as many marketplaces as needed with a different account. So very helpful tool by Shopify, just to make your life easier as a merchant. And this is one of the nice things about Shopify is it makes your life easier as a merchant. You can be able to manage all the different things in Shopify, and to be able to just really make sure that you're optimizing the different, platforms. And the cool thing about this that I just thought of is if you ever were hesitant on maybe making an account on one of these platforms because the thought or the idea of managing the different platforms is overwhelming, a tool like this helps to reduce some of that fear because now you can manage everything in one place. So instead of thinking, okay, now I have to go on 5, 6, 7 different marketplaces and make sure that the information here is the same as this one, this one. Now you can do everything in one place. It just makes everything easier for yourself as a merchant. So just wanted to share this tool with you. If you already haven't heard of it, Shopify Marketplace Connect. And I hope this video was helpful. Now, if you do need help setting something like this up on your store, um, if you have any questions about it, or if you just have any questions about configuring either something like this or your store in general, please feel free to reach out. My information is down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out to answer any questions you might have about setting something like this up for your website or for your Shopify store. But it's very helpful for merchants, again, making your life easier. So I hope this video was helpful. And once again, if you do have any questions about how this works or about setting it up, please feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to help.